1974 Dodge Dart Sport for sale. 1999 Magnum 360 rebuilt. 340 manifold on the driver's side. Magnum manifold on the passenger side. Dual electric fans hidden by the factory fan shroud. AC lines need to be made, otherwise all done. AC boxes rebuilt. .1970 Challenger exhaust tips, just because I like them. This is an original paint car, at least 85% original. 2.5-inch dual exhaust with H-pipe Magnum flow mufflers. Very, very solid car. 14-inch rallies, BF Goodrich TAs, 70 center caps, NOS Dart and Sport emblems, 1970 style chrome mirrors. Car will be sold with its original steering wheel that has been restored. 71 style bucket seat, bench seat covers, front and rear, because I prefer the pattern. Cold start. Does have Bluetooth, Alpine, because that was already cut. I decided to put a Bluetooth head unit in it. New headliner. Microphone for the Bluetooth. Electric fuel pump. Digital programmer for the electric fans. Racing cam. Fresh build with very little miles, except for testing.